Are we centered? Yeah, centered. Check. Think you're ready to be on the show, but you might not be. That's why we're holding off on guests. But if you too would like to be a guest on the Besties and Business show, follow and contact us, and we might let you be on the show. Okay? Here, welcome to Besties and Business. We have a special guest with us. I am Sasha.smith. I'm Chavonne Baldwin, Von Baldwin.
And I'm Anthony Perry.
And we are reviewing 21 Savage Betrayed. Betrayed?
Because I've been betrayed before.
Oh.
My credit betrayed me before.
Oh, way to bring in the show together.
You know?
Yeah, we have a credit expert, and we had him pick the songs today. And so why did you, we're reviewing the song so that we can have it here for you. What is it about this song that you love? Sounds like the lyrics.
Well, it's the lyrics, definitely, but I love 21 Savage. Some people, think he's funny because he's real comical sometimes, but you say a lot of,
Truth.
things like
Speaking truth?
You speak truth.
Speaks the truth.
In volume.
Okay.
It might be a little ratchet, a little hood.
Yeah, I mean, we don't like it.
It's still the truth.
We're not
let
ratchet.
ATL,
We
It's
like
like the church, come as you are.
Right, yes.
Okay. Well, the reason I like that song because everybody been betrayed before.
Yes. From somebody, something.
Betrayed
we
you.
have.
But the credit done betrayed you.
Credit
And I'm
has
sure
it has betrayed you too.
Exactly.
And that's why we are here today, to make sure that it doesn't betray you anymore. So we are going to be sharing credit tips with our credit expert. So one of the things, that question that I get a lot from my clients, and Vaughn, you can verify, is, hey, I pulled my credit, but the mortgage broker that you sent me to says that my credit score is a different number. What is happening there? What should I say to these people? What's going on?
What's the reasoning behind all that?
Well, there's a few things that could be, but the first thing is once you pull your credit from your mortgage guy, he pull a mortgage report. And so you have different credit reports. You have a mortgage report, you have an auto report. You have
I did not know this until he taught me this.
Score.
So if I don't know, you don't know.
Your FICO 8 and your FICO score is which everybody look at and go with. It goes up to 850. Your mortgage score goes up to 900.
Did you know that?
So it's going to be different. And so when he pull your score, he's pulling like, have you ever had a house before, and things that you have on as far as like open lines of credit, like revolving credit or installments, like a car loan or any loans you may take out from the bank or another financial institution. So he's telling you the right score for as your mortgage, but as far as your FICO score, it's not the same.
Okay. So, and
when they're talking about your pre-approval, they're looking at your mortgage.
Yeah, you're looking at your mortgage score.
Yeah, so we have nothing to do with it.
As
realtors, we just connect with lenders, people that we think work great. One of the things that I focus on is, if you go back to the one of the reels, tell your realtor the truth, the whole truth and nothing but the truth, because then I can connect you with the right product vendor for you. There's all different types of mortgage loans. There's all different types of brokers out there. So what I try to do personally for my clients when I'm giving VIP glove service is I try to understand your story, where you are, no judgment, but the more you tell me and the more you're honest with me, the more I can connect you with the right person. So
from day
Do
one.
not lie.
Yeah, like
the whole truth.
Put it all out there
Nothing
from day one.
but the truth.
Don't working for nothing. Don't get them out there looking for a house and you got a 300 credit score, even though you don't go that low.
Yeah.
You have a 300 credit score.
So our
And it's only because the more you tell us from beginning, the quicker we can act on it, the quicker we can get you to a place of getting you to the point of looking for a house, because the process is long and
it's long, but it's not. It can be shorter
when you do everything up front.
So the process, literally, I have closed in 21 days before. It can happen. I'm sure Chavonne has, but you have to be upfront with us from the beginning so that we can get you to that finish line as smoothly and as accurately and as happily
But
as
let's
possible.
be real. If there are some credit things happening, 21 days is not it.
Yes, no.
Okay?
Yeah, okay.
All right?
Well, 21 days once we fix and address the credit issue.
Right.
Okay. So Today we have learned about, I don't even know if I can review all of this. I might have to have you do the recap about mortgage score, FICO score. Just do the recap for us here.
So today we reviewed the mortgage score, which comes from your lender.
Yes.
It tells you that score that you like. That can't be my score, but it is.
But it is.
It is. Just only on the mortgage side.
Okay.
Your FICO score, which you have a FICO 8, FICO 9. They have FICO 10 today. So you have all these different FICO
you just
scores.
went.
Yeah, they have a lot. And your Vantage
Mind
score.
blown.
And you have a Vantage score as well.
And your Vantage
Like
score.
some of your credit card companies use your Vantage score when they're trying to give you credit cards instead of your FICO score.
Got it.
So, and it's different, you know, methods that they use as far as going to approve you for a credit card and as far as different loans.
Right.
So the summary of all that is call us, the number below, and we connect you with our preferred credit guy, him. Keep it simple. Call us, tell us the truth, the whole truth, and then we connect you with him and to the right broker for you. So
And don't betray your realtors.
don't betray.
Don't betray. Remember, that's the song, Betray.
Don't betray. Play that.
Bringing it back
Yep.
every time.
Looping it all in.
21 Savage Betrayed.
There you
For
go.
review purposes.
Yes.
Oh.
Besties in Business, thank you for getting credit tips with us, and we look forward to working with you. I am Sasha Smith.
Chavonne Baldwin.
I'm Anthony Perry.
See ya.
Catch you next time.